Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says, why HIV patients become immunosuppressed? Option A, lack of helper T cells. Option B, lack of RBCs. Option C, lack of cytotoxic T cell activation. Option D, both A and B. So now let us understand the question. It says, why HIV patients become immunosuppressed? So what do you mean by immunosuppressed? Immunosuppressed. That means here the immune system has been suppressed. That means low immunity. Okay, low immunity. That means they're susceptible to different infection. So very susceptible patients. Why they are susceptible? Because the immune response or immune system has been suppressed. So it will not fight against the diseases. Okay. So here they're asking about HIV patients. So what is HIV? HIV is nothing but human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, deficiency virus. So this cause what? This virus causes AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So the people who are suffering by AIDS, okay, which have been caused due to HIV, then the main cells which are attacked are nothing but the T helper cells. T helper cells. Why? Because of course even macrophages, but high number of T helper cells will be, it will be affected, and further their proliferation will be stopped. Okay, and hence these like the number of T helper cells will be reduced. So the main function of T helper cell is to activate the immune response by activating B cells, which will produce the antibodies, as well as cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells. Okay. So which again participate, which very important for the immune response. So that is the main function. So if T helper cells are attacked by HIV, and if their number reduce, then further B cells and T cells, cytotoxic T cells also will reduce. Hence they will become immune suppressed. Okay, they'll become susceptible to various other diseases like normal cold. Also, it will become very severe in them. So fungal infection, bacterial infection, all kind of infection can be easily caused in these patients. So let us see. The question says, why HIV patients become immunosuppressant? Because lack of T helper cells. That is absolutely right. So option B says lack of RBCs. No, because the HIV does not attack RBC. It doesn't have its receptor. It has its receptor mainly on the T helper cells as well as the macrophages. Macrophages can just engulf them and further proliferation can occur, but mainly T helper cells. Okay. Option C says lack of cytotoxic T cell activation. Yes, absolutely right. As I told you, T helper cells are only involved in activation of cytotoxic T cells. If these cells are not enough, then what will happen? There will be lack of cytotoxic T cell activation as well. So option D says both A and C. That is the absolute correct answer. So let us conclude. The answer is option B. That is both A and C. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.